They're jealous of you. This individual is very fixated on your finances. I also feel like this individual is jealous of the fact that you have been able to make a lot of money for yourself, maybe through inheritance, maybe through a job that you work in. I feel like this individual did not expect you to do so well in this life. This individual may have felt that you had no support, and because of this lack of support, you would not be able to accumulate a certain amount of wealth. I'm also picking up that this individual is very jealous of the fact that people are very romantically drawn to you. People get hypnotized by you. I feel as if it's not done so intentionally. You have a way of words, yes, but I also feel as if you genuinely care. You're able to penetrate to the depths of people's souls. So when people interact with you, they feel a sense of being understood. They feel a sense of closeness. In romantic relationships, I feel like people can get consumed by you. People can become obsessed with you. This individual is becoming obsessed with you, or they are obsessed with you, and they don't like it. This person is jealous of the fact that you're very intelligent, very intellectual. I feel like you may have cut this person off, or you keep a distance from this individual, and this individual is uncomfortable about this. They don't understand how you interact with others, but you keep a distance to them. Or for some of you, I feel like this individual is very jealous of the information that you put out. So some of you could be a teacher. Some of you could be an entrepreneur, is what I'm hearing. Some of you could be a scientist. Some of you could be a lecturer in a university, or you're just generally very knowledgeable, very highly intelligent. You're able to communicate with a lot of different people. You can connect to a lot of different people from all walks of life, and this person is baffled as to how you do it. This individual may have tried to block you due to their jealousy. Would this individual admit that they're jealous? I doubt it. But this individual is very consumed by you. I feel like this individual is jealous of your work ethic as well. There's something about your calves here as well. I'm very drawn to the man on the card, and I'm very drawn to his calves. So you could have very strong legs. Some of you could be athletes. You don't have to be, but you've got a lot of stamina. So this person is jealous of your body. They're jealous of your strength. They are jealous of your work ethic. They are jealous because you stand out. Now, this individual could feel like they are the star of the show, but since you've come onto the scene, you are definitely shining brightly, and shining more brightly than they are. This individual, I feel, is jealous of the fact that you are stable. This person feels very scattered. Now, the thing is, TikTok family, we can all be scattered, right? It just depends what's going on in our world at the time, right? But this person seems to think that you are always balanced. You always have a plan. You know where you want to go in life. And I feel like you generally do. And this person feels very all over the place. And I also feel like this individual is jealous of your originality. There's something very eccentric about you, something very authentic. If this person is trying to come across as original, it's fake. This person wants to come across as very quirky, very, I'm hearing high vibrational. They want to come across as someone that is good with others. They don't really care about people, to be honest about you. I feel like this person is very conceited. They could align with other people just to get ahead of life. This person doesn't really like people, to be honest with you. Now, there's a difference between wanting your own space and not liking people, but I feel like this person pretends to like people, pretends to generally care about the welfare of others, whereas with you, you generally do. You may like your own space as well, just to recenter, recharge, and regroup. But this individual, I feel, is a person that could actually try and mimic you. So just be quite mindful. I also feel that some of you cut this person off, so you're all right. But I feel for some of you that are still around this individual, this person's your understudy, yo. This person is your understudy. But it gets extremely uncomfortable for this individual because they see how you generally love to interact with others and help others and give advice to others. This person doesn't like people. So when they're trying to, embody your energy, it gets extremely uncomfortable and very frustrating, and they get very angry. So I feel like this person is jealous of the fact that you generally do like to interact with others, you generally do care about others, you are eccentric, you are original, you march to the beat of your own drum, you're not a follower, you are a leader, and they wish they could be like you. This person is jealous of your nurturing abilities. You're very soothing and very healing, and you're very compassionate. You have a very soft center, and you could be a counselor, or people come to you when they are going through situations, or people just feel like you are easy to talk to. You're very understanding and you're very empathetic. This is a trait that this person wishes that they had. I feel that there's something very serene about your beauty. You are a natural beauty with or without makeup. If you are a parent, you are an extremely amazing mother. This person is also jealous of the fact that they can't stop and block you. The jail that they try to put you in, the mental jail, I feel, the spiritual jail that they try to put you in, you have either broken free from it or you're just oblivious to what they were trying to do. So I feel like this person is jealous that their plans to keep you mentally and spiritually entrapped have failed. This person is jealous that you remain balanced, you remain serene. I feel that this person is becoming aware that you are spiritually powerful. I don't know if they'll say it in those words, but they get a sense that you are ranked quite, spiritually high, and they get a sense that you are protected. You have a lot of protection around you, and you could have some guides that are really backing you. And anytime this person tries to come up against you, they face instant karma, and the jail that they try to put for you, the jail that they wanted you to be in, I should say, is the one that they feel entrapped in. This person is very jealous of the fact that people fall in love with you. For some of you, they could be fixated on a romantic relationship, on a friendship. They feel as if people actually want to commit to you. Whenever you get into relationships, people either want to settle down with you, they want to move in with you, or they want you to move in with them, they want to build with you. They want to get engaged to you. They want to marry you. They want to invest in you. They want to invest in your dreams. And this could be in regards to your friendships as well. Your friendships could turn into relationships, or people generally have a lot of admiration for you. People take you seriously. This person is jealous of the fact that you have boss-like energy. Some of you could be a boss. Some of you can run your own company. But I generally feel like you definitely stand out. And people, this individual, it could be more than one person actually, they're jealous of your authority and how you have power over others, but you don't use your power for the bad. People are jealous of you because you have that ability to move on whilst they stay stuck in an energy of how things used to be. Now, for some of you, I'm picking up that this individual, it could be up to 5 people that are jealous of you, right? They find it hard to move on from situations, whereas with you, they feel like you're able to just move on and not think about them or the situation. Now, that might not be true. You could heal, in your own time, behind closed doors, etc., but you don't show it. And because you have that ability to move on from situations, this is why this person is jealous of you. This person is jealous of you because they feel stuck in life, quite simply. Again, it's coming up that this person is jealous that people want to invest in you. There could be someone that is in love with you and this person is aware of it. Maybe this person wanted this person for themselves, or they just genuinely struggle to find someone to connect with, to fall in love with them. And I feel like this person, again, it's coming up again. This person is jealous of the fact that people want to invest in you. People, especially in romantic relationships, I feel like the caliber of connections that you get in, and that could be in regards to your romantic relationships or your friendships, like people genuinely see that you are worth investing in because you are. And this individual feels like no one doesn't treat them the same way, or whenever they get into connections, people don't take them serious, or bosses, higher ups don't take them seriously, and they take you seriously. I made you a part 2.